Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, Aquarius. Then I'll be moving on to the other deck. Few more cards from that, okay? Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you're heading towards security and a stable relationship. Okay, you're open to your new relationship. You want to be, um, maybe you have found somebody and you want to spend your life with them. You want to be in a committed relationship, and that is the energy here, guys. um, you are moving forward. Some kind of positive transformation is happening. New changes are coming your way, and you are getting what you deserve, guys, whatever you were working hard for. Okay, so those positive changes are coming, and the changes based on the work you did. Okay, whatever you were striving hard till now, they are bearing the fruits now. So that is the energy here, and you are trying to have a meaningful relationship with your person. You would have faced certain kinds of criticism or what to say, um, negative energies in your work or in your personal life. Okay, somebody would have criticized you for in your work. Okay, undermined you, stolen your ideas. Okay, and would have taken credit for your efforts, but those times are coming to an end, guys. So slowly you're overcoming that criticism and the negative energy in your work or in your relationship, and you're feeling optimistic, victorious, and inspired to go forward in your personal endeavors or in your business, whatever it is. Okay, so you are healing from the past. That is the energy here, guys. You're healing from the past and you're moving forward. You are open to new relationships now. If you are in a relationship, um, you are trying to establish a deeper connection with your person, and you're what to say, you're trying to have a safe and a stable relationship, and you're trying to deepen your relationship with your person. So that is the energy here, guys. So some of you all may get a new person in your life. Okay, you may get lucky finding the person you love even before you what to say, proposing to them. They may come forward and propose to you. Some you may get gifts from somebody. That is also the energy here in this cards. Somebody may gift you, they may help you out in your situation. So maybe you're going out to a party, you are going to meet somebody there. That is also the energy here. You're enjoying yourself. Some kind of communal activities also are in the cards, guys. So you're getting what you deserve, guys. So that is the energy here. And you are, if you are a person who's single, you are getting a new person in your life for sure. Okay, something new is coming up. If you are in a relationship already, you're trying to make this relationship work, trying to create a stable and secure situation. Okay, you're structuring your relationship. That is the energy here, guys. So let me pick out 3 more cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aquarius. Step into light. Honor life cycles. Cooperate. So just as I was saying, for some of you all, you're making this into a stable, secure relationship. So you're helping the person in your life. You're having a good communication. You're contributing in this relationship. Okay, some kind of you may be living together, so you may be helping each other every day. So when you do that, when you help somebody, it just helps us to strengthen ourselves, guys. So that is the energy here. And your bad times are over, guys. So the brighter days are coming, are here actually. So all you need is just to open your eyes and see. So you would have felt that you were very confused and you are on an unstable path till now, but now you can just what to say, have trust in yourself and see for yourself the things happening in your life. Okay, so everything happens for a reason, guys. Life things happen for a reason, just to make us learn the lessons. So life is a greatest teacher. So whatever experience we get, we learn huge lessons from them. So we have to leave away all the negative energies that are associated with it, and we should take in only the lessons it has taught us. So that way it will help us to grow spiritually and emotionally, Aquarius. So it is the time for you to heal from the past and move forward into the light, guys. So you are moving into a secure, stable and a committed relationship with your person. So that is the energy here. Some of you all may be going out with them, spending time with them, partying. So this is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Aquarius. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.